I have no idea what it's gonna turn out like. I mean, I'm excited. You know, I'm very curious. Let's see. Let's find out together. Hey guys, welcome back to Loic's Kitchen. I'm Chef Loic, a pro chef from the DMV. Today we're gonna make something completely different and very interesting. We're gonna go ahead and grill a whole jerk turkey. Let's get to it. So first step, you wanna go ahead and brine your turkey. So this turkey was brined overnight. So I did about 5 liters of water. So I heated the water up and added a cup of salt, a cup of sugar, and a whole head of garlic and a whole lemon in there with some aromatics such as peppercorn, bay leaf, thyme, rosemary. I let all that infuse in the water and I soaked the turkey in overnight. And here we have it. So kind of let all that aromatic and spice infuse into the meat itself. Let's go ahead and make the marinade. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and make our marinade now. Just gonna throw everything in the blender. So here I have some red onions. Put some red onions in there. Some whole garlic. Some fresh thyme. Have some green onions and some lemon, fresh lemon juice. And I'm gonna add some jerk, right? Jerk paste. I have no idea what it's gonna turn out like. I mean, I'm excited. You know, I'm very curious. Let's see. Let's find out together. Some soy sauce. I'm gonna add just a little bit of browning in there, not too much, just a little bit. That's gonna make our turkey a little dark, so I don't wanna go crazy with that. A fair amount of honey. Whenever it comes out, just put that down. Some black pepper, of course. Some salt, of course.
Turkey should be good for Thanksgiving.
So basically, we're making a Thanksgiving meal, kind of. You know, turkey is a traditional Thanksgiving dish. We're just making it in a Caribbean way. So, I mean, if you were to do this, like make a jerk turkey for Thanksgiving, I would serve it with Caribbean sides as well, right? So like mac and cheese, rice and peas, some plantains, and maybe just have some gravy to the side. And there you have a Jamaican/Caribbean Thanksgiving dinner. And I'm gonna add some olive oil in there as well. Add everything. And that's it. Let's go ahead and blend it up. All right, let's go ahead and taste our jerk, see how spicy it is. It's good. I think it should be a little more sweet, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more honey. I got stung, bro, and it was bad. Like, I'm talking like, I swelled up. So I need this out of my way before I can carry on. And I got honey in my fingers, so I know it's not going anywhere till I kill it, and I got it.
You just slapped the turkey, bro. And I recorded that, though.
You recorded it?
Yeah.
God. I'm sorry, man. I'm so sorry, but I can't get stung, bro. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and season this heavily with salt and black pepper. So I'm gonna start on the inside. Turkey doesn't have much flavor, so you wanna go heavy on the salt. It's not like chicken. Chicken has a little bit more flavor than turkey does. And for the outside, I'm just gonna add just a little bit of oil. Season that up. I usually do chicken for Thanksgiving too. And oh man, I like stuffing. my stuffing recipe goes crazy. I basically bake a cornbread and I don't bake it all the way through. I kind of leave it a little bit under. I let it rest, I pull it out, and then I like break it up. I make mirepoix, so onion, celery, carrots, cook that off, add some aromatics, you know, like herbs, like garlic, all that. Add some stock, and I throw my cornbread in there, mix it all up again, right? With all the aromatics. I mean, like a lot of aromatics, like parsley, rosemary, thyme, all that dry stuff, spices. Put it back in the mold, and I bake it again. That comes out like, oh my God. That's my favorite dish for Thanksgiving. Stuffing. My stuffing, not anybody's stuffing, my stuffing, Loic stuffing. And it's a recipe that just came out by myself, my mind. We have a Loic's restaurant coming. We have a Loic's cookbook coming. We have a Loic's hoodie coming real soon. A Loic's knife, pots, pans. Just make sure you guys subscribe, stay tuned, and support. All right, so I'm gonna my jerk marinate on the inside first. I wanna make sure I coat the inside very well. This is a big bird, so you wanna be generous. Now we're gonna butcher twine it before we marinate the outside. Try to, if you guys have like your skin is ripped off like mine here, try to cover it up as much as possible. Try to like get that skin together locked in, because as it like cooks, it's gonna like shrink and your whole breast is not gonna have any skin. So you wanna lock that in if possible. You're gonna look at videos out there, there's like, it's gonna show you like 100 different ways to butcher twine your bird. Oh, you should do it like this. Man, look, man, I just tie it, all right? I'm not sitting here trying to, all these culinary terms, whatever. I just tie it. The purpose of butcher twine your bird is so it cooks evenly and so it's presentable. That's it. So just tie it, don't overthink it. Oh, how should I tie it? How do you do? Just tie the damn bird. I've never been of like a rule follower. I always just do things how I want to, how I feel, what I think is right. And it's always worked for me. You know, some people are gonna look at it and be like, that's not how you tie a bird. I don't care, bruh. My bird still tastes good. So first you wanna lock in the breast and the wings. That's the most important part. And now I'm gonna go around and try to get the legs locked in as well. And so for the legs, I'm gonna try to tie it up as much as I can. And if you have enough butcher twine left, you can come back around and tie it back here. So here, we're just marinating the outside of the turkey now. We're rubbing the back of the turkey. You know what I'm saying? Rub my back, girl. Rub the back of the turkey. Ooh. If there's any back I already rubbed, it's my turkey's back. Not you, girl. It's like, no. All right, so we got this covered. Flip it. Now, we're gonna get even more. We're gonna get even more nice, nasty with it. Now we're gonna rub the breast. Oh, look at the skin here. It popped open. Oh no, we don't want that. We definitely don't want that to happen. But sometimes you just gotta let it be. You really want the skin, like, just stay covered though. You really do, like. That's like another layer. All right, there, we have our jerk turkey. Now we're just gonna lay it on the grill and let it grill. So I have our grill here, it's hot, ready to go. It's up to temp. So I'm gonna go ahead and just land this guy down there. Back down. So I got like a little base here. So it's basically butter, a bunch of aromatics, garlic. I got some peppercorn in here, some whole garlic, again, some thyme, fresh lemon juice in here. And I added a little bit of our jerk marinade in here and some more browning, so it's kind of like, it gives you that dark color. And now I'm gonna go ahead and baste our turkey with some fresh thyme. And this is basically just gonna make sure our turkey is moist, and it's gonna give it a nice color also, like a jerk color, right? So let's go ahead and baste our turkey. Look at that. You see how the liquid is getting clear? That's how you know it's about done. I get excited about food, bro. It's so geeky. I don't know what I'm saying. Right. I think it's good. So we're gonna pick this guy up. I'm gonna get the butcher twine out. We did a great job with the skin. This could not come any better. So here we have it, guys, our Thanksgiving jerk turkey. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Are you guys ready? Let's do it. It's smoky, spicy, got juice. See y'all next time, baby.